Oh, y'all know what it is. Oh, what up, OG OGs? I'm back here with another video. Dab on them. So we back here with another video. This is a long overdue haul because, not haul, but like unboxing, because I was supposed to do this video months ago and I never got my box. So I'm finally back with the infamous black box record club unboxing. A little background story, if you guys did not know, I do this on my channel a lot, where I get, this is a vinyl subscription. You get 2 records for $30-some every month. So this is something I'm excited about. So last month I was supposed to do it, but I never got around to it because the idiot that stole my records, if you're out here, if you're watching my videos, your mom's a hoe. Yeah, so they got stolen and I never got a chance to unbox them for you on camera. So now I got the records and they had to give me 4 records instead of 2 records because the other 2 records got stolen. Like I said, if you're watching this video, your mom's a hoe. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. So let's get into it. The records are in here. So yes, we're going to pull out the first record, and the first record is Common, Resurrection. Yeah, so I never had a Common record. This is probably the first Common record I have. So it's Common. Common's a good rapper, and they got I Used to Love Her, Book of Life. I don't know none of these songs on here. I think I know I Used to Love Her, but I don't know. So yeah, this is the back with like the little pictures on the bottom. So that's that. Common. This is a good one. Good pickup. I'm gonna pick up the next record. Alright. Okay. So this one is definitely double, but I don't mind having double because this one's gonna stay in plastic. Unlike the other one. The other one is not in plastic. But this is a classic. I have Michael Jackson Thriller on vinyl. This is my second one though. This one is definitely gonna stay in the plastic. And yeah, so this is Michael Jackson Thriller. If you have a vinyl collection, if you don't have this in your vinyl collection, your mom's a hoe. Okay? So, but if you have this, you know this is a must if you have a vinyl collection like I do. So yes, this is, everybody knows this album. Everybody knows Michael Jackson Thriller is a classic. So that's definitely dope. Even though I already have, if you watch my vinyl collection, you already know I have Michael Jackson Thriller. The next one is Mr. Ray Charles, the collector's edition vinyl. And they got Georgia on My Mind, Hit the Road Jack, I Got a Woman, and that's it. That's all the songs I know. But here's a list of songs that's on here. And this is like my first Ray Charles record. I really love the movie, so this is a must. It's a staple. Definitely trying to get variety in my record collection because a lot of the albums that I do have is mostly from the 80s. So this is a staple to have in my collection. So that's the third album. And then the last album, this one, the record is called Kids See Ghost, and this is the cover. I'm still trying to figure out what is this. I think it is Kid Cudi. I think it's the Kid Cudi album, Kids See Ghost, which I like the artwork and the watercolor on the front of the album. So yes, this is definitely a cool, what's the name? This is my first Kid Cudi record. Kid Cudi, well, it's not my first. This is my first Kid Cudi record, but I already have a Kanye record. But this is my first Kid Cudi record. And it's called Kids See Ghost. And this is the back with the soundtrack, meaning the tracks on it. So yeah, it is definitely Cudi. As you see, it says Cudi montage. So yeah. So yeah, that is my black box unboxing for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm sorry I took so long and I stopped doing these because I didn't think you guys would still like them, but I look back at my stuff and I see that you guys still like these type of videos. And like I said, it's not my fault. Somebody stole my package. And like I said before, if you're watching this and you stole my package, your mom's a hoe. Okay? Alright, so yeah, make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you go listen to my podcast. I just finished ending season 1 of my podcast. Season 2 is going to be announced soon. So make sure you go to Spotify or Apple Podcast and type in A Sip of Slim. So yeah, we outie. I appreciate the love. We're almost at 200 subscribers. So make sure you keep hitting that subscribe button, baby. Alright, we out. Okay.